The SABER 1000 Lumen LED clamp light features high-quality sound from a built-in 5-watt wireless speaker. A super bright COB LED bulb delivers stepless dimming from 100 to 1000 lumens. A digital indicator screen shows the remaining battery life and current lumen brightness setting. Lithium-ion rechargeable battery for longer life and consistent power. Includes USB Type-C charging cord and 3.5 amp AC wall charger. Power and wireless connection button for the speaker. LED power button. Hold for stepless dimming from 100 to 1000 lumens. IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, and IK07 rated for mechanical impact protection. The heavy-duty clamp opens 60 degrees and holds tight, allowing the light and sound to be pointed in the desired direction. The spring-loaded clamp also includes 2 strong magnets built into base. Please visit atdtools.com for more information on this product or to see the full line of SABER lighting.